Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Reffair AX30 Smart Car Air Purifier. This is an air purifier designed primarily for cars. You can see an image of what this particular air purifier is going to look like. There are some features mentioned over here. This particular air purifier comes with the largest fan segment. It also has aromatherapy function, 3 speed modes, true HEPA filter. I'll show this to you. True HEPA filter, anti-scratch body. It's a low maintenance air purifier. It also provides 360-degree purification. It works with USB and also comes with one-touch operation. If you have any more information, there's some more specifications given over here. It's written performance effectively removes 99.97% PM2.5 particles, allergens, odorant and harmful gases from cars. Innovative design, 40% larger than fan size, 40% larger fan size than regular car air purifiers for efficient all-around air circulation. Wide coverage, scientifically designed air purifier with 468 air inlet points. 468 air inlet points, which capture pollutants from every corner. I'm going to open this box and show you what this purifier looks like. So there you go, these are the components of this particular box. There's a packet over here. So we have a lot of stuff in this packet. This is a thank you note from Reffair. This is the warranty card from Reffair for this particular car purifier. This is also a quick start guide. Everything that you need to know you will find in this particular document. It's sealed as well, so let me just remove this seal first and show you what's. There you go. So it has everything that you need to know, how to replace filters, how to maintain it, all the do's and don'ts, everything that you want, it's given over here. Speaking of filters, this is one of the filters that it comes with. What is this? Okay, there's also a brand note from Reffair. So this is the filter that it comes with, and this is basically these are some of the aromatherapy buds that you can place in this particular air purifier. This is of course the charging cable with an USB-A slot on one end. There you go. And finally, let's take a look at the air purifier itself. So this is what it looks like. I mean, you can open it like this. It's very easy to open, and you can put the filter and all the aroma buds right over here, the filter and everything else. I'm going to put it back on. This has a very, let me put this back on first. Yeah, there you go. This has a very nice black ergonomic texture to it. Has this scratch proof body, comes with a matte black finish of course, and it's completely scratch proof. Notice the Reffair logo right over here, and the power on off button, circulation button is right at the top. And this is where the power port goes in. Let me just try and turn it on. Since this is powered by USB, it should work over here as well if I connect it to a laptop. I'll just give it a shot. You need not be connected to a car to just demonstrate what it's like. So this seems like a night mode. It's basically 3 speed settings are here, and it's also pulling in a lot of air right now. I mean, I can feel it. If you put your hand over here like this, you'll be able to feel it. And this seems to be the highest setting right now. Okay, so you press the 4th time and it switches off. 1, 2, 3rd setting, and now it's off. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Reffair AX30 Smart Car Air Purifier. Thank you for watching.